Namaskar. Good evening, all of you. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Ranchi University, and I thank you for organizing such an important webinar for the students. And on the occasion of webinar, International Peace in COVID-19, to our guest and Japanese representative of Tamai Onetom, India, Michelle Sen, Tumi Sen, Manager TOIPL, Ms. Hena Kumari, Course Coordinator, Dr. Smriti Singh ji, all my students and all participants of this webinar. First of all, I thank all of you from Japanese representative members. You have organized the seminar and you have started Japanese language course in our university. And I'm thankful and I feel that my students are being very much benefited from you. And I think as soon as this COVID-19 pandemic is finished, we would like to give you a space, a classroom where we can meet and we can organize seminars, and you too will feel very homely with us. In this pandemic period, we have started Japanese language course in our university, and all my students are getting benefited from Japanese language proficiency test. And I hope they will get jobs as soon as they finish their courses. Understanding the Japanese language is very important because when we open our eyes to Japanese history, we find martial arts, entertainment, culture, and fashion. Now, let us talk on today's topic. You are dealing with international peace. It is very important because most of the time we just waste our time in blaming others. Now, it is not the time to blame others, but it is the time to take care of ourselves and to take care, first of all, we should keep patience with us, because if the time is bad, it is not going to remain forever. It will finish. And a time will come when all of us will meet and will greet each other together. So it is very important to be patient and do all our work accordingly. One thing is very important. Most of the students, most of the people, they become negative at this moment. So we have to remove the negativity amongst us and think positively for each and every aspect. We don't have to let our minds get tired. It is not the time to be tired, but it is time to be happy and be full of energy, because we have to generate positivity among people. So it is important that we should not feel mentally tired. We should work together. It is time to work together and do plenty of work, because COVID-19 does not say you stay in your house and don't do any work. So we don't have to stay free, and we have to learn all the time. When our mind will be busy, we will be positive. Everyone will be positive thinking. So individually, if we feel we should not be free and we should do any type of work which we have, and we should try to learn new things. Age doesn't matter, that it is a time to learn or not to learn. Each day we are a student and we learn new things. So it is important that all the time we do some or other work in the house and keep ourselves busy. This is the time when we are tested whether we have patience or not. So patience is very important, and we should not lose patience. It is time to see our children that they should not feel that they are not getting proper education or proper care. So we should feel that we have to love our students. We have to teach them in any condition. Whatever help we can do, we should do. This is an important webinar, and I wish you will get lots of information regarding international fees during COVID-19. I wish all success, and I pray a very good health for all of you, a life full of good health and happiness forever. Thank you.